Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, buy tools like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got the 13-piece professional socket set, impact socket set, 1/2 inch drive. That's the 14-piece. All these, basically we're going to go over the icons and the new and the old. I know some of you requested us to go over a little bit more detailed on the new icon. So there's a new icon coming out. It's more impact sockets that are coming out. So there's a lot of more new tools that are coming out. Basically, those are the longer impact sockets, $49.99, and then we got some a 12-piece set right there, 13-piece set, SAE 1/2 inch drive. $59.99. Tells you the sizes right there. Feel free to pause the video if you guys want to look at. Yeah, another thing I looked at is this Doyle adjustable wrench. It doesn't really seem like it's higher quality than the Pittsburgh. Seems like it's the same, but who knows? It might be made out of better metal and stuff like that. And they do have a bigger size coming out for it too. Those are the swivel ratcheting wrenches, 8-piece. That's the stubby. That's a regular combination wrench set there for under $100. And yeah, don't forget, Harbor Freight, every now and then they have some coupons. They have like a $20, $10 off or something like that, or 20% off depending on the coupon or the sale they're having. But yeah, don't forget to those the crowfoot right there. The ones that you use for a bolt or nut that's like in an angle or a weird place. And those are the newest shaped wrenches right there. I know that the Harbor Freight's website barely came out with those, but yeah, those are the new S wrenches there. And don't forget to watch my video. I do have a video on that Icon torque wrench. Really nice torque wrench. I think it's worth the price, especially if you get it at a deal, like a 20% coupon. Definitely worth it. Yeah, those are the new long extension hex. It's an 8-piece, so $39.99. Those are the sockets. Those sockets were $22 when I got them, so I got them for $22. Had no problems with my sockets, so $59.99 for that. Most of those are just the chrome sockets. Those are the smaller ones, the little stubby ones. And then you got the extensions there at $39.99 for a pair of 3, or for a 3 set. You got the ratchets, some swivels. Those 1/2 inch drive. And then you got more 1/2 inch swivel and just a regular. And then you got the Bauer impact wrench. Definitely recommend this Bauer impact wrench. If you're DIY, if you don't want to invest in a tool brand, like buy batteries and stuff like that, all you do is just connect that to the power cord basically. Those are the new lights from Bauer at 2,500 lumen, so pretty powerful light there. That's the fan. They are running that. Oh, there's another light that they have. They have 2 more lights right there at the top. So Harbor Freight is running Hercules and Bauer. Hercules, I believe, is $25 off if you buy a tool, a kit, and a charger. And Bauer is $20 off if you're buying a tool, a kit, and a charger. Yeah, no gloves this time, and I did need a pair or a box. No gloves. Those are the jackhammers there, the big ones. And I was looking for some masks, the ones the N95. So all they do have is the regular masks, and I was looking for the new knee pads that they have listed on the website. I did not see them. And there's a new what is that? Like a hot glue gun. That's a hammer. It does have like a magnet there, so you can stick the nails and get them started basically. Those are great, guys. Those hand trucks, dollies. I do have that red one. Had it for so many years. Still, it's working, operating well. All you do is just put some air in it. It'll work fine. Some new screwdrivers there from Doyle. They got all kinds now. They're putting a lot of new stuff in there. Then you got the new icons, $49.99. Those are the new ones that are coming in. So it's a good thing that Harbor Freight puts these yellow tags there, that new stuff is coming in. That way we can get an eye out and look for those new items that are coming out. Those are the pliers section, the shears. That's the snap ring from Icon. Really nice setup right there that they have. And then they got some Bremen, some Quinn, some Doyles. So definitely recommend the Doyles and the Quinn for you guys. Great prices, high quality. I would say prosumer level type of tools here, or pliers. And these are some nice Apache cases here with the new colors. As you guys see, really high quality. The only thing I don't like about these cases is those tabs there to open and close the locks. I wish they were metal. It would be nicer if they were metal. Maybe I'm just being a little hard on this, but yeah, if they were metal, that would give me more confidence of buying something like that, because plastic usually breaks. And that's in clearance, the clearance section. They did have that those two Atlas. Usually what happens with some of these is that people bring them back because they use them once, or they change their mind and pretty much take them back to the store. So $115 for that. Regular price is a lot more than that. It's like $189 or something like that. That's an 80 volt, so the 80 volts is the more expensive. It's an 18-inch chainsaw. And then you got the blower on the bottom. I believe it was 65 or something like that. Yeah, 65. And then the Syntec jump starters there. Yeah, and Harbor Freight does carry DEF for the diesel trucks, and carry oil and all kinds of stuff. So if you guys are in a hurry and just want to get something on the run, there you go. That's the battery tester there. And then we got some urgent price out for $9.99. They didn't have any available. Actually, they did. The bottom ones, but not the ones that are on sale. The $9.99. They're trying to clearance them out, basically. You got the free light there. Those are the big Quantum. Yeah, I guess they wanted something similar to the Big Mac lights that they have. And those are great lights. Those two are great lights. 1250 and the 390 lumens. Those are great lights. Definitely recommend those lights. I do have videos for both of them, so be sure to check out my channel, Toolhead147, so we can show you guys the review of those lights. I know it's been a while since I've done a review of the 390 lumens lights, but definitely check out my channel. And you got some links too, which is weird. I wonder how Harbor Freight's going to handle this. Maybe they're just going to keep it as another brand, but they already have the Atlas 40 volts. So. And they got some generators here. That's the portable. That's the one that I want to get, because I used to have one of these 4,000 watt, those big ones. Well, those are the adapters, so you can put two smaller generators and make pretty much a big generator, or more wattage or voltage for an AC. And that's the 4300, 4375. Yeah, I used to have a 4000. That thing worked great. It ran ACs and everything, but it was just a little too heavy for me, because my truck, it's a little tall, and it's hard for me by myself just to get the generator and lift it all the way up. So I'm pretty much gonna go for like a more portable version. And then you got the chainsaw sharpener there, $29.99. And you got the Portland tools. Pretty much these are the budget tools. Every of these tools work great, except the string trimmer. String trimmer I don't like. I do have a video on that if you guys want to check that out. But everything else seems to be pretty solid. Same thing with the Bauer. I mean, for a small yard, same thing with the Portland. For a small yard, these tools are great. They do have a gas chainsaw, $179.99. It's the only gas chainsaw, and There's mixed reviews on it too. You know, it's pretty much a gas, or you're gonna end up having problems in the long run. You have to keep it, you know, running clean gasoline and running stable through it, and maintenance it basically. It's not like these electric ones. These electric ones run forever as long as you have a battery and a charger, and the blade is sharp. You're good to go. Basically, it's pretty simple. And they had the RV extension cord is a 25 feet, $49.99. So if you guys have an RV, you can connect that to the generator. This is the new Bauer pressure washer. It's a 2000 psi. So really nice pressure washer. That's the cap for the soap and stuff like that. I personally like to use foam cannons. I'm not really like using the onboard soap dispenser there. It does have a little reel, and you got some wheels there, so it's an all-in-one inclusive kit there. Those are the gas with the Predator. Yeah, some of these go on sale pretty good. You just gotta watch out for the prices. You know, they vary. And that's pretty much like a camping, like all different types of tool section here. They got some binoculars, so just some different random stuff. A can crusher there. I do have a can crusher. One of those can crushers, just make it so easy to pretty much recycle. And that's a brim clock that they have. That's pretty much the towing section there. They do got some nice LED lights. Definitely check out Harbor Freight, all these different items. And if you guys don't know, I do have a solar system, so I do a lot of electrical. So I'm just looking for some connectors there, some quick connectors, so I can connect wires. I'm probably going to end up just doing it solder and heat shrink if I have to connect some wires, because I don't know if I could trust something like this. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys use any of these type of connectors there. But usually I just probably going to solder it, and just if I have to do any type of connection like that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Just a short video for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help us buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.